Available options
You
are track
fucking
1 to
kidding
250.
me?
Next track.
Are you
Previous
fucking
track,
kidding?
List devices. You connect
Run! Here, hey, get him on there.
Please.
What the?
You good?
Oh my
Stop.
god!
Can we just stop?
Yeah, what's up?
What the?
You're ugly.
I don't.
You're ugly.
She gave us the stick eye.
It's dangerous. Like, they're not even, they don't even.
There he is.
Car! Get ready to my car! Shit. Oh my god.
I watched all that.
We literally called it. Oh
Все, и пиздец ей! Блять, вот только там сбили человека.
Somebody had to be drinking and driving. Look at this here. Look at this here. This is why you do not drink and drive. Look at that. So you see, it looks like they hit this motherfucker, bounced off this motherfucker, made it hit this motherfucker, put the engine back in this motherfucker, swiped the side of this motherfucker, half the fucking cars underneath of this motherfucker, which end up pushing this motherfucker into this motherfucker. Steal more car parts and tore off the window and the mirror on this motherfucker. It looks like he came back, got a control for a second, and then hit this motherfucker. Pulled it back onto the street, came back, and while he was at it, I don't know where the fuck that came from, hit this motherfucker, followed the trail, swerved around, slammed that motherfucker into that motherfucker, swerved around. Looks like he sideswiped this motherfucker right here on his way out the motherfucker. And you can see the trail of, I'm assuming this is, I mean, I know it's got to be an oil type for it to still be in. But damn. Nipped this motherfucker right here while he was at it. Wasn't done. Knocked the bump off of that motherfucker. Managed to gain control. I wonder what the fucking car looks like. Good God. Do not drink and drive. You will fuck up a whole bunch of people's morning and shit. There's around 8 motherfuckers that's gonna come out this joint and be so fucked up at that motherfucker. Be safe out there. There's some idiots out there.
This is what happens when people think they are in the right, but are actually in the wrong.
Come to fast up.
is sort of anathema to Democrats at this point.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Mission Boulevard.
Question whether or not lights are on, I think.
What in the fuck? What is this guy doing? Day 1 of Dashcam.
And you know, just all over the whole thing.
What did you think as you watched it unfold and then